Welcome. In front of me I have the GARMIN Index BPM, and today I'll be going over unboxing along with a quick look at the device itself. So the BPM actually stands for blood pressure monitor, as you can see right here. So smart blood pressure monitoring and cuff adult size. And yeah, let's just get into it. Come on. Jesus. There we go. Sure why this was so hard to open. And here we get a thick little booklet for this, colored one, interestingly enough. And the device itself. And that's everything. Okay. So let's take a look at this. Okay, pretty nice and compacted design right here. Okay. You can see the design right here. So go. I'm not going to put this on my wrist, but I am going to pull this. So this activates the battery, and there we go. We got a display though. Let me try to. Sorry for the overblown image, but that's best I can show this. So let's see what do we got here. Okay, so it's pumping right now. You can also hear how loud it is. Oh, okay, I guess it's done pumping. It detected no arm right here, so yeah. But it still got some air. So there we go. Now I want to kind of check the price for this. So let's quickly check. This is Garmin, so I'm expecting some interesting price. And Garmin, what was it? The so this is about $190, something along those lines. So a bit on the pricier side, considering normal cuffs like that aren't smart cost less than half of this. So this does have a bit of a higher price tag for just being smart, and probably having this Garmin logo right here. So anyway, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.